Guys, it's me again, and today I wanna unbox my parcel from TikTok again. Ayan, I have two, and maybe this one is for gift to my family on December. One, two, three, four, five. Yan. This one is lahat na to ibibigay ko sa pamangkin ko na lalaki. This one is for my brother-in-law. Size, anong size to? Size large and size large. This is for my son and also for my son, and this is for my niece. Yan, 5 pieces t-shirt. 5. This is for my Christmas gift. Yan, ayun na, bubuksan ko yung isa. It's my brother-in-law, XL. Bubuksan ko. This is for my son. I try to, sobrang ano guys, manipis yung tela. Ang pangit ng tela. Ang pangit guys. Ano siya? Para siyang jersey. Maliit man siya. Maliit. Maliit siya. Maliit. This is for large. Yan. Same lang siya. And I wanna try for the XL. Maliit siya. Are you XL? Maliit naman. Hindi siya, pero stretchable. Stretchy siya. Ayan, thank you so much for watching. Bye!